In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, and customize buttons on card.co. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a button, change its text and link, and style it so it fits your site perfectly. Start by opening your site in the card editor. Look for the plus icon, which adds a new element to the page. Click it, then choose button from the list. Card will drop a default button right onto your canvas so you can see it immediately. If it appears in a spot you don't want, simply click and drag to reposition it, or place it inside an existing container or column so it aligns with your layout. Keep an eye on the guides as you move it. Those help you keep things neat and balanced. Next, click the button to open its settings. In the label field, type the text you want people to see, like contact me, subscribe, or get started. Short, action-focused labels work best because they tell visitors exactly what will happen when they click. Just below, set the link. Choose where the button should go, whether that's a section on the same page, an external page, or another resource. If you're linking to a section, pick it by name so the button scrolls smoothly to that part of the page. If you're linking to another site, paste the full URL and, if needed, set it to open in a new tab. After you add your link, use the preview to make sure it goes exactly where you expect. Now customize the look and feel. In the appearance panel, adjust the size to make the button small and subtle or big and prominent. Set the width to auto for a compact look, or full width to create a strong call to action that spans the container. Align it left, center, or right depending on the rhythm of your design. Then scroll to style to fine-tune the visuals. Choose colors that complement your background and keep contrast high so the text is easy to read. Adjust the corners to be sharp or rounded. Add or remove a border, and tweak padding so the label has enough breathing room. If hover options are available, set a gentle change in color or brightness so users get immediate feedback when they point at the button. Keep it consistent across your site by duplicating a styled button and changing only the label and link. Before you wrap up, preview on both desktop and mobile to confirm sizing, alignment, and spacing feel right. Test each link, then save your changes. That's it. Your button is added, edited, and customized on card.